Good morning, girls. Now we will see one important example in composition of three functions f, g and h. F of x is equal to 2x plus 3, g of x is equal to 1 minus 2x and h of x is equal to 3x. Prove that f of g of h is equal to f of g of h. What property is this? This is composition of functions is associative. F of g of h is equal to f of g of h. So left hand side g and h are put it in the bracket, right hand side f and g are put in the bracket. Okay, now we will take left hand side. What is in the left hand side? F of g of h. What is the first step we must do? What is in the bracket? What is in the bracket? G of h. How do you write g of x? G of h of x. So in the place of g, what you have to put? What is the function for g of x? 1 minus 2x. That you have to write. Of what is the next function we have here? H of x. What is h of x given here? 3x. So the second bracket, whole thing you have to substitute in the place of x. What number is here? 1. What sign is here? Minus. What coefficient is here? 2. What is here? X. But in the x place you have to substitute what is in the second bracket. That is 3x. So g of h is equal to 1 minus 2 into 3, 6x. Very easy. Now we will complete step 2. What is in the left hand side? We will write f of g of h. What function here? F. Here g of h is the function. So in the place of f, you write what is given in the question, 2x plus 3 as first bracket of this whole thing we have found in step 1, g of h of x. So in that place you have to write 1 minus 6x. The second bracket fully you must substitute in the first bracket where you find x. So 2 in the place of x you substitute from what we have taken from second bracket, 1 minus 6x. After that what sign we have? Plus 3. Now outside the bracket we have 2, multiply inside. 2 into 1 is 2, minus sign. 2 into 6x is 12x plus 3. Here 2 and 5 are numbers, both with plus sign. Add, you get 5 minus 2x. Therefore left hand side answer f of g of h is equal to 5 minus 12x. That is first answer. So step 1 1 mark, step 2 1 mark. Now we'll come to right hand side. What is in the right hand side given? F of g of h. What step we must do first? What is in the bracket? We must find out. What is in the bracket given here? F of g. That is step 3 we are going to do. What is first function? F. What is second function? G of h. What is f function given in the question? 2x plus 3. So you write 2x plus 3. What g function given in the question? 1 minus 2x. So you write 1 minus 2x here. Second bracket fully you must substitute in the place of x in the first bracket. What coefficient is here given? 2. What is the next letter we have? X. But we should not write x. In the place of x we must write the whole thing, 1 minus 2x. Next put plus sign, next number 3. So 2 outside the bracket you have to take inside and multiply. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 into 2x is 4x plus 3. Again 2 and 3 are numbers, we can add it. So you will get 5 minus 4x. That is f of g. Now right hand side fully you have to write as step 4, f of g of h. So f of g is, we have here 5 minus 4x of f of g. For the bracket you write the previous answer of h means h function given in the question as 3x. So in the second place we have h means second place you write 3x. So 3x you have to take and bring it to first bracket x. So what is the number given here? 5 minus 4. In the place of x you substitute 3x. So 5 minus 12x. So right hand side answer is second answer. Compare the first answer, that is left hand side answer 5 minus 12x, and see the right hand side answer, that also 5 minus 12x. So we have to get left hand side and right hand side should be equal, because already we have learned composition of functions is associative. That means these functions are associative, so that should be equal. So from 1 and 2 we have concluded, hence composition of functions is associative.